Hi guys, how are you guys doing? All right. Let me see whether I am on live or not. All right. All right. Looks like I'm on live. Okay. Good evening, guys. Happy 13th Friday. All right. I don't know whether Jason will find me or not, but I'm ready if you want. Okay, let's do some analysis here, guys. Okay, there's a two agenda that I want to talk to you guys about. All right, first thing first. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about binary option. Okay, and second thing is I want to do some recap lah. All right. Okay, so let's talk about binary option. Okay, I am in the market quite long enough to aware of this binary option and stuff like that. But I personally do not trade this product. Okay, and okay, what I'm going to say is basically purely my view. All right, so you can you can choose to ignore it and stop. Hi, Sky. All right, so it's up to you. All right, but I want to make sure those listeners that follow me and stuff. So I just want to make sure I want to educate in the way. Okay, it's purely my opinion. I may be wrong about it, but I'm quite sure I am not. Okay, all right. Let's talk a little bit about binary. Okay, I'm going to give you about 3 points on the binary option. Okay, the first point. Okay, guys, this binary option is the lowest form of the derivative. Okay, they are totally a very lowest form of derivative. What do I mean is that, like, for example, like stocks, right? That means when you buy, you really own that stocks, okay? Be it 1 share or 100 share or whatever, 1 lot or 100 lot or whatever, okay? You somehow own that particular stocks. So, of course, the more share you own, the more percentage you own, you have more say on the company futures, right? So, you are, at least you're part of it, all right? And you have, like, they give out the derivative and stuff like that, you are able to enjoy, all right? Okay, come to binary. Binary is very much like a pure betting. All right, it's basically just a betting, guys. It's a very similar to gambling. Okay, they make it in such a way that like they come up with like a new name. All right, new name. That's why like people think that might be different. Actually, to me, it's nothing more than a soccer betting. All right, let me tell you a little bit why I say they are similar to soccer betting. Okay, there's a point one. To me, it's a pure betting structure. All right, it's basically you are gambling, guys. Okay, you are trading. You are a binary option trader. Then you are a gambler. All right. You may not even know it. So that is my purpose to tell you now. Okay, if you people don't trading and binary option and okay, now you heard from me already. It's purely gambling, guys. All right. Of course, you can make money, of course, but gambling come with the bad things, right? You can lose money most likely. Okay, let me give you another point. Okay, first point to me is pure gambling structure. Okay, second point. Okay, they don't give you a pure payout. Okay, they don't give you a pure payout. Why? They don't give you a fair payout rather. Why? Okay, for example, you buy a binary option. Let's say you make a call binary. That means you are expecting the price to reach there by certain maybe 1 day later or 5 minutes later or 1 hour later. All right. So you're making a prediction. All right. So what will happen is that, okay, let's say your prediction become wrong. Okay, you will lose whatever amount that you are betting on it. Just like you go and play Toto, buy Toto, or go and buy soccer, right? Same thing. You are going to pay the amount that you're going to lose that particular total amount. All right, but there's a big but. All right, what will happen is that, let's say you get it right. Okay, that means you say a particular product, it will go to $2 within 2 hours, example. Okay, it really went to the that particular direction and go to your price number and reach 2 hour within this $2 within 2 hours, right? So what happened is that you are right and you will get the payout, right? Okay, here's a problem. The problem is they will not pay you 100% of the amount that you bet. Okay, so they will only pay you like 75% or 85%. That means you bet $100 for something. If you wrong, you have to pay $100 for that. But if you right, so-called the maximum amount that you may be getting somewhere around $85 only. All right. So this is where the similarity with the soccer betting. All right. So what happened is that, for example, let's say there's I just put it that way. Let's say Manchester United and Singapore team playing. All right, Singapore team plays. You see, if a people go and bet from the Manchester United side, which is very likely to win, right? I mean, they will give you like, a very, very low odds. I mean, you bet $100, they will only give you $40. That mean if Manchester United win, they will only got you bet $100, but you will only win $40 out of it. Okay, and the another type is that, let's say you go to Singapore team. I'm just giving you an example. Yeah, for Singapore team, you go and bet $100. Singapore team win, they may give you $1,000 back for that. But people may entice. Wow, I got I give $100. I put $100. I'm going to win $1,000, right? But what people forgotten about is that very slim chance. Okay, so you see, that's why I never ever play on the soccer betting, because they have a lot of professional, especially like, for example, like a Premier League soccer betting. There's a lot of professional, so-called bookie professional. They are working around the clock. Let's say they Chelsea between, let's say any other teams. They know this Chelsea player who is in an injury, who got what problem, who got problem with a girlfriend, cannot play properly. All they know. So this is how they adjust their odds. As a normal player, you won't know, right? Okay, you just see the odd and you just bet. So that mean the back to the point number 2. There's no fair payout at all. Okay, the house always have an edge over you. Okay, that mean like it's very similar to going to gambling, like going to casino already. So what will happen is, the more you play, the more times you play, the likely that you are going to lose. All right, so that lead to the point number 3. Okay, point number 3, what will happen is that it is not for consistent, so-called consistent business. That means you want to make money from the binary option in a consistent basis. Whatever people say, okay, you can verify yourself. There's a few guys on the Facebook, blasting with their Facebook account, all those things. It's up to you. All right, totally up to you. But I'm giving you a free advice. Okay, go and find out by yourself. So in my opinion, this is not the proper business model for you to make money consistently out of it. Okay, one time you want to have fun, all this kind of thing. All right, nothing wrong with that. Okay, so let me recap back what I was telling you guys. Okay, there's a 3 problem that I found out about this binary option. All right, the first thing is they are the lowest form of derivative. Okay, they're the lower form of derivative. So it's like I will not say the trust on that particular product is really go down the drain to me. All right. Second, they already structure in a way that the so-called the house, which is your broker or whatever. Okay, I don't want to name people, but they have an edge over you. All right, so it's like the more you play, the likely that you will lose. Okay, so that's the second point. The third thing is not a proper business model. All right, it's not a proper business model. You're not gonna make money consistent basis. What we are looking for is using our skill. We want to make money in the long run in the consistent basis. Right, we can pull money regularly from the market. Right, this is what we are expecting. All right, okay. So these are 3 things that telling me that this is not a proper trading product. To me, is a purely is a gambling product. Okay, so these 3 I already give you guys already. So I think why they become very popular. Okay, why they become very popular. So what happened was that, okay, as you know, I have a lot of brokerage friends and a little bit of liquidity provider friends, right? I'm not just a trader, so I know all those levels also. So they told me, hey Joe, you want to do some binary option? You want to offer some binary option to the people? You want to become linker for me, all this kind of thing. I receive all kind of invitation like this. Okay, you know what they told me? Binary option is a pure money making machine to them. All right, pure money making machine to them. All right, so you see, that's why they are really pushing. They are really blasting with all kind of advertisement on their Facebook, in your website, all this kind of thing. Because they make a lot of money from this binary option. If you are, of course, like Luther say, if you are a business owner. Okay, so if the house win, who lose, right? Okay, so I don't have to clarify again. So I hope I will put my full stop on this one. So I got three reasons why binary option is a scam. I would like to choose a name now, scam or pure gambling mechanism. Okay, but the problem that people tend to hook into that because it's really tied to the normal person behavior. What is that? It's called instant gratification. All right, guys, it's called what? Instant gratification. What happened? Okay, they can know, I bet now 5 minutes later also I can know that whether I make money or not. They can such a way in a too low time frame until they can do like this. So it's like it's really in line with the normal layman requirement, which is a pure instant satisfaction, sorry, right? So it's like, that's why it seems to become popular among people, but in reality these people are losing, guys. All right, so do not fall into that. Okay, if you are a good trader, you will know. Okay, pure instant certification doesn't work on the trading. All right, you have to have a patient, you have to plan, you have to execute well. All right, so that's it on my my rant on the binary option. All right, I hope you are pro enough to understand all this crap. All right, okay, so I will be going through one particular pair. Okay, make it a bit short. All right, because I will be doing weekly sum analysis later on. All right, so let's talk about UCAT. All right, UCAT. What happened was that there was a lady mentioned my name. Anyway, anything lah. Okay, UCAT. What happened on yesterday was they have an N pattern showing up, right? Okay, so there are a lot of people. I mean, those breakout trader. I mean, those noob trader putting their sell stop here. So what happened? It go all the way down. They trigger their sell stop and they pull back up. So now all the breakout traders are trapped already. All right. So what's gonna happen is that, in my opinion, it may even go up slightly higher. Okay. It's nothing wrong with my. This is how the market works. Okay. But do not panic. If you have a plan, you have no reason to panic. All right. You have to execute flawlessly, and I don't see a reason to panic. Okay. For example, like I will be looking into, for example, a place like here. All right, this kind of region, which is around 1.3230, somewhere around. I will looking for a possible so-called swing back down. Or if let's say the so-called the rebound is pretty strong, I will looking for here, man. All right. So for UCAT, I'm stay pretty much on the bearish point of view. What is happening right now is they have a lot of new trader, or I mean breakout joker. They are all kind of trapped already. This is not the way we trade, and I mean we fully aware of that. All right, so I'm pretty much stay downtrend bias. It's just that I would like to let it go up higher so that I can add my shots. Okay, all right. So this is for UCAT. Okay, I will do one analysis for you. Okay, hang on a minute. Okay, this is my EU. All right, I was already telling you guys on the bullishness of this EU, right? So it's I mean, you can look back my trading view, and those people who in my inner cycle understand that why I bullish. Okay, so I'm not going to explain a little bit further, but to be moving forward, they need a little bit of in my opinion, a little bit of more strength. Okay, so that means they may have a problem breaking up, because they have a pretty nice resistance coming up already. So they may pull back down a little bit, but don't worry, guys, don't worry. Okay, I'm still on the bullish side. So whatever come back down, I mean, as long as the bullish momentum show up, I am trying to long. All right. Okay, yesterday there are a few people talking on the Facebook in such a way that, here I caught the top and call for the shots. I was laughing, man. It was like, and then his supporter, or rather people were telling like, oh, how you know, come on, guys, how we know? It's very obvious, right? We have this level. Look at this level, guys. All right, come, let me show let it load. Okay, hopefully it's loading. Okay, maybe I close some to, okay, it's loading, right? So this level, okay, all right, this level is pretty straightforward resistance, so nothing magical about it. Okay, but in my opinion, trading is not just a price action or support and resistance. There is more than that, guys. All right, you need to know. All right, so in my opinion, it stay bullish. Okay, as long as this level is not broken, which is around 1.05 level, I will be actively looking for long. All right, whenever I have a bullish candle, I will try to be long. Of course, I will be start to a little bit bearish. I will be starting a little bit bullish, bearish around this area. All right, and ultimately this area. This area is around 1.086. All right, around this area. Okay, this is where my target is. Currently, I would like to see this area, this level is being broken up strongly first, because here seems to have a lot of resistance. All right, I think eventually it will broken up, because to me my structure is telling me that it stay on the bullish side. Okay, so that's it for today because I am going out for a drink. Okay, so I talk to you guys again later. And yeah, for my inner circle member, I'm going to make a video of my live meeting one more time by possibly by tomorrow, but I will make it sure by tomorrow. Okay, so have a good evening and have a great Friday. Okay, I talk to you guys again. Okay, bye for now. If you like my video, press like or give me a hashtag big time. All right, and I really appreciate that. You can share it in your Facebook, you can share it in your groups. Okay, by all means, it's free. All right, thank you and have a nice day, guys. All right, see you guys.